Welcome to the tutorial for COCOs, how to publish candidates and measures and finalize contests. Today we will review on how to check the DES import for accuracy, what the different statuses mean, and how to publish candidates and measures and finalize contests. When your county's contests have been imported into the DES, I will let you know this is done and ask you to check the DES import for accuracy. But what exactly are you checking? How do you know if it's accurate? You are checking for the accurate number of contests that are on the ballot, accurate number of candidates for each contest, accurate spelling of candidate names, and accurate number of measures on the ballot. Okay, you say, I can check all that, but what am I comparing it to? You're basically comparing it to the certified candidate list that is received from your county's ROV. You should already have a preliminary list, if not a certified list, because before all this gets imported into the DES, we're working on getting better candidate info, right? So we should already have some sort of list. But sometimes your preliminary list does not show the same information as the official certified list. So you'll have to get the certified list and know how to read it. Here are a couple of examples. This is a certified list from Stanislaus County. And so they have it laid out really nicely with the contest and then the names of each candidate within the contest. We received this directly from the ROV, but sometimes you can also find them online. For example, here is one from LA County, and we get our data from LA online all the time. They had two different type of documents. There was a final list of qualified candidates to appear on the ballot, and then there was separately a final list of qualified candidates to not appear on the ballot. And often that happens because not enough people were running in order for the contest to make it on the ballot. A third example here is from San Luis Obispo County, who also has the same type of information in a different format. And here you can see on the right side, it says on ballot, and sometimes they will say not on ballot or off ballot. I can't remember what the language is. So you really need to know how your ROV, puts out this information and know how to understand and read the reports. So to do all this, we log into the DES and go to the summary page, right? So we click on summaries on the top of the page in the DES. And we use the left sidebar to select the election we want to work on. I'm going to use a fictitious election. This is the one I use for all of my demo data, the League Sandbox. And of course, you have to hit the Display Summaries button for it to show. So here's what your summary page will look like. Mine looks different than yours because I have statewide access. You will only see your county and maybe one or two other counties that have shared districts. I'm not going to review the election statuses or go into the definitions of them. Please refer to the user guide for these definitions. But what I will tell you is kind of how to access your contests. So we're going to work on Alameda County. You click on your county's name, and when you do that, the section expands to show you first all of the candidate contests, and then if you scroll down, all of the measure contests. Remember that the non-green contests are partially covered in your area, but your county is not the lead for this contest. Concentrate only on the contests you are the lead on, the green highlighted ones. If you click on a contest, I'll click on this shorter one, it will show you all of the candidates, and here all of the candidates that are on that contest. Click the contest again, and that section will hide. So you'll go through the summary page, review one contest at a time, focusing only on your lead contests, so the green ones. And I'll show you how to publish your candidates, and then finalize the contests. And I'm just going to do 3 so you can see how easy it is. So you expand the contest, and you make sure that the number of the number of candidates that should be there are. You check the candidate's name, make sure it is spelled correctly, and then check this box. Not only do you have to check the box, but then you have to click Update. And a pop-up window will come up and says that the candidate status has been updated. You close that, and if that contest is all checked, you change the status from not available to finalized, and you click Update. And you close that. And you do that for all of the contests until they're finished. I will do another one. So I open up that contest. I check to make sure the number of candidates is correct. Check the spelling of the names of the candidates. And one at a time, you have to check the box and click Update. And I know that this is time consuming, but you have to do it one at a time. You can't check them all and just click one update box. So once you are done publishing the candidates, which is just what I did, you then change the contest status to finalized, and you click Update. Now, if there was a case where the candidate's name is misspelled, or if we're missing a candidate, you can always still publish the ones who are correct and change the status to available, and that will send a message to the front end that says not all candidates are finalized in this contest, and you can continue working, and we could troubleshoot anything that comes up, but still publish the ones that are correct. So this process is really important for 2 reasons. One is that you're checking if the information is correct and that they're all entered in the DES. And the second is that once you confirm it's all correct, you publishing the candidates and the measures and then finalizing the contest triggers the system so that it all publishes on the front end. Voters would not be able to see the election data without doing this process. Okay, so you've done it. The election will seem like it has officially started. You'll start seeing things published on the front end. And you can ideally start inviting candidates. Remember to check for accuracy of import against the ROV list, publish candidates and measures, and then finalize the contests, and then contact me if anything looks incorrect. That is it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more DES tutorials, please visit the VEC resource page.